display settings. This one go there. Apply. Keep changes. Okay, cool. Okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, look like I am streaming. Yep. This is working. Okay, let's try. NCB is here, excellent. I need to simplify this thing. What I was about to do. Okay, yeah, so I'm live too there. Cool. Oh, maybe it was dashes. Oh.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
We'll get there. Hello, hello? What is that? Is it applause? I don't hear it. Okay. Man, I feel so rushed today. You know what? Let's go like this. Okay. So let's open. I even have a new release. Let's do that. Let's download it and install it live. Because why not? Okay, let's close it. Let's open the terminal. Ooh, this is tiny. Cool. There's one thing. Oh, excellent. So I would like to have this. How can I make it the main? I guess it doesn't want, right? Oh, this? Cool. Oh no, I cannot change it. Did I change my glasses? Let's do that. Getting old. Cloudies, I'm getting old. Okay. That's better. feel like I'm... It's winter. I'm very white. I'm washed. Okay. Let's go. I just said because I would like to have it on the top. I don't know why. It used to be possible to do that. Anyway. A mix of... Why can I not maximize? Where is it now? I think I need to reinstall this machine and my main machine because that's why I'm late today. 30 minutes late. Damn it. Okay, so version 6.3 bug fixes. Okay, I was 6.2. I know they... Oh, I'm not sure if I can talk about it. Yeah, they're working on that. That would be cool. Okay. I hope you're good, doing well. Yeah. Where's my hoodie? Where is my hoodie? Because, you know, I need a hoodie. Who doesn't? Guessing people don't leave. Or it's cold. Okay. So, let's get started. Let's get started. Let's go. Run the intro. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher. I speak French and English, so if you have questions, French and English, please leave them in the chat. I will be happy. This is... Well, I'm guessing we'll do 2 hours, even if I'm late today.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, bonjour, hi. How are you? Shirley Dev is here. So yeah, well, I'll probably do 2 hours, even if I started late. Today I'm coding. That's the plan of my entire day, so I could have streamed the entire day, but I feel like maybe not. Maybe I will be boring. Attention, for once. Yeah, like, you know what? When you don't stream every week or like on your schedule, it just gets harder to get back to it. And I think...
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Mr. Magoo is here too. Blazer, Mr. Magoo. Hello, hello. So yeah, this morning again, it's weird. I was like watching YouTube video and stuff this morning, and then I started just like all the apps I need to the stream before going for my breakfast and my shower and stuff. And then I lost sound. I was like, oh no, what did happen? And like it took me 30 minutes to figure it out. It's so weird hearing my Yeah, I get that. Just like I think it was Triple B, right? Who took my Bonjour Hi and also had it to his stream at some point. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go back to this. So today, like I was balanced to on what I was about to work on, and I decided to go with dungeon 2d6 dungeon app, just to, for at least for me, make it a little bit more interesting. Though I think I may stream next week, depending on my schedule. I may try to do like a different stream because I'm not sure we'll be able to go there. Yeah, I'm rewriting URL shortener. Remember the URL shortener we built on this stream? It's been inactive for a little while. Now it's been moved under Microsoft, and they did some changes, and I understand why for the specific client and stuff. Now it's used in healthcare services in US and things like that. But I wanted to make it easier to use everywhere, and so I'm rewriting it using containers, and it will be like easier to customize for people. Like I forgot which .NET it was, but like using the latest version of .NET, we'll rewrite the admin so it will be better. You could run it locally. You don't need to deploy the admin because maybe you don't want the admin to be deployed. So like I want it to be, but and initially I just wanted to kind of like upgrade it. But there's so much, like some library changes and stuff like that, that I have no other choice, that there's a big chunk that I need to rewrite. And I'm trying to keep it so people who are using, like, for people to want to do the transition, it won't be like too much breaking changes because now it's under Microsoft. So I don't know, I'm building my, like I'm not rewriting everything, I'm just rewriting the minimum. You know, sometimes like I should do this way instead. But I just want to kind of like make it so it's recent. Then I will show it to the Microsoft people team. If they approve it, we'll do that. We'll push it here. And then on this stream, we'll be able to like optimize it. Like, I don't know. We'll be able to optimize it and change a few things. Like I want more stats, or like a bunch of stuff. I think we'll have some fun. You know, before I was using the what was the I forgot what it was. A third-party grid and stuff like that. I think I may, well, like definitely for the grid itself, like the table, we can go with like the native Blazor grid now. For the chart, the statistics, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But if I can remove a little bit of dependencies, I think that would be better. But anyway, so I felt like I was in the middle of a lot of like brainstorm. I'm not sure what I'm doing and things like that. So that's why I was like, until I have like a better idea, I don't want to bring it to the stream, but I think it will be cool to revisit the URL shortener on this stream. So, and since I'll be working all day long on this thing, I guess that's why I want to share it with you. Another project also that I'm working on a lot, not that I've been not working a lot, but that we worked on this stream, was the Note bookmark. That's the new application I'm using for my reading notes. That's the blog post I publish every Monday. I like to read a lot, and I read on my used to be Kindle, now it's another e-reader. And the difference is, instead of like be able to take the notes on the device, now I don't have access to those notes. So I decided, I will do an app. And because the tablet is kind of like an e-ink tablet, so it's Android, but like with an e-ink screen. So I will build that, so I could just like take my notes there, and while I'm there, it could aggregate this stuff, it could do a bunch of different things. So we worked on that. On this stream. I did work a lot on it also off stream. So this week was it this week? Yeah, this week I updated like how to deploy that thing. It could be better. It could be just like an AZD up. But right now, since it's my tool, I didn't want to move my initial storage. So that's why it's a little bit complicated. You know, there's 3 more commands to do. So you could start like I start with like a storage that exists for your data, but eventually will be just like one. It was just like, for me, laziness. But there's a blog post coming up this week where I don't mention that I work on the stream, but it's coming. Like, it's already in review. I'm just waiting the approval. It will be published. I was hoping this week. Looked like it will be next week. But that's fine, right? It will be on Tech Community. So oops. Yeah, Tech Community. I'll be here. If we go blog, I'll share with the chat. So if you're interested, since we worked on it, it will be in app on Azure blog. And the title is like how I build. Yeah, so let me share this link. It will be there. It'll be here. I remember that thing talking about the URL shortener, Surely Dev. Your face is on that repo also. So you have your voice in my stream, your face in, or your avatar, not, well, like it is your face, right? If I remember correctly, that was you when you were young. So yeah, so watch out for this thing. It will be published eventually. It's in review. Maybe they don't like it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, but today, and I'm using that app and I have plenty of service. Oh, there was another project also. I was really close and I was not sure because it's not C#. And like I'm known, between quotes, I'm not that well known, not C# Fritz, but I'm known to work on .NET stuff. But during the holiday, I built like a project. Where is it? I built a little project. Where is it? I think it's this one. Yeah, I built a little project. It's kind of visual countdown for my daughter, and she's using it a lot. And she was, oh, it would be cool if you could do this, if you could do that. And I was like, oh yeah, I could work on the stream on that. But then I was like, how will you see the strip? Since like I'm working like hiding dates and time of the day, so it automatically turn on and off. And like right now it's a countdown. Right now it's like a count up. So like a section of the strip lights at every day. But you would like to be also possible sometime in the other way, like, like, oh, there's 5 days before my vacation, let's say. So like, one strip going down each time. So that's a good idea, but I'm not sure first if you will be interested to like code on that. It's in MicroPython, so it's not .NET. Could be refreshing. Could be something different. I know I code this during the holiday and it was fun. Like how do I do a loop? And like a bunch of stuff where like you're wondering how it works. I'm just not sure how to make it like much more immersive. I guess I have 2 cameras. So I could use my camera, put it top down and you could see around. Maybe we could try that. Would you be interested? C# Butch. It sounds weird to me, C# Butch. But yeah, something like that. Okay, cool. Okay. I'm always worried. People think that when you stream or when you talk, you're kind of like, you're not stressed. You know where you're going. I don't know. I don't think it changed that much. But hey, okay. Plan of the day. 2D6 dungeon app. Super quick recap. I feel like I did that recap so many times, but this is a dungeon crawler game. So it's a dice and paper game. Okay, this is all the books. There's plenty of extension and things like that. Toby Lancaster, I think his family name. Lancaster. Yeah, cool. Good memory. He even did recently Legendary. So like when you're done with the first and you just want to like a harder stuff. Now there's this. I didn't buy that one because I'm not done with. I didn't play a lot of game, in fact, in the first one because I want to play my version of it. But like it won't be like I'm not porting the game. I want the game to be kind of a companion, so you still need to buy the book, but just so you could play digital. So that's why it's Dungeons. Yeah, 2D6. Sorry, Dungeon app, because it's not part of the game. It's just kind of a companion app that will help you doing a lot of stuff, so you could play digital. But I think you will still have the book. Like I still want people to have the book. So anyway, so we did a bunch of stuff. So this is using Blazor. I'm using Fluent UI Blazor, so that's why there's that look. And we're able to create a new user, create a new adventure, place the lobby. So that's the lobby is the first room you place in your dungeon. There's a few rules in the rule set that define, like the lobby is different than other. There's always 3 doors and stuff like that. So I apply all those rules. We did work on the combat screen. I had a few issues, but that was mostly fixed. I think I fixed a lot of it. I'm not sure I did it on stream. I think I maybe did it off stream. And now what I'm working on is, also what I did is now I migrated this project to Aspire. The point was I wanted to be able to just do one click. It all start kind of like for you locally. I had people reaching out during the holiday was I would like to run it, and like I don't know how to do it, because those people they liked the game, they liked the dungeon app and stuff, but they didn't know code. And I get it, that's fine. And I was like, okay, like, well, run like, over Instagram chat or like whatever. And I was like, or I forgot on which platform was it? Anyway, they found me on platform and I was trying to like, okay, run Docker run, blah, blah, blah. And like, so it was, so I said, you know what, like with this, if you have .NET 9, you just do F5 and it will start everything. So I did that. And now what I'm working on is placing that new room. So when you are like, you pick a door and then like you're opening into new room, so like defining that new room and stuff like that. And I was like, well, there's a lot of stuff to do. How can I do that? So right now I'm leveraging the wizard. What is it again? It's Fluent. Cool. I'm using in the components. I'm using, I think it's the wizard. Yeah, I'm leveraging this. So you do like each step and you can progress. So that's what I did. And I'm somewhere there. So today we'll try to finish that. Or like, I would like to finish that. But I noticed a few bugs. I'm not sure if that's the thing also. I want to place where I can. I'm not sure where to put that. Like, like I don't want to create, maybe I should create issues. That's where it was. But sometimes it's just like, oh yeah, like I feel like this feels wrong, or like this is where I want to go, or like, oh, we'll finish that later. For example, right now I know like I don't have a lot of room, so like I kind of like hard coded. Well, it's like 1 or 2 or 3 for this type, and like 4, 5, 6 room ID for like if you fall in. So like, you know, I kind of like force specific definition because I didn't enter all the room definition in my database. I only have a few, just like monster. We have 3 types of monster. There's way more, but I didn't enter everything. Though someone during the holiday sent me an Excel file with the entire set of monster rooms and everything. So that will be also a stream where we ingest all that. But I don't know where, when I see stuff, where should I put it? Like I was watching Learning with, I forgot, James, I think, or Adams, Learning with Adams. He's having like a markdown file, and I was like, oh, maybe I should do that. I don't know. I think I want that public. Maybe in projects. Maybe it's here, so it could be, oh, maybe it's here. So to-dos are not necessarily issues. So I could create that here. I did try also to use BlazorX. It's a cool project, but I don't think for this type of project it will work. Yeah, so maybe... Okay, I want this. I want that. Okay. So yeah, so that's the plan today. And also I think last time I streamed I was using KDE. Yeah. Sorry, Franglish. And I know it's more customizable and stuff like that, but I think I prefer GNOME. It just feel like it looks better, even if the other one is way more customizable. I really like the customizable part, but it really look like it's trying to mimic Windows, and I like the GNOME on Debian. It's kind of like clean, there's nothing. I really enjoy that. So I installed that, but I just installed like GNOME on top of KDE. So now I have the two. When I log in, I could switch. And I feel like there's a few things here and there that are not conflicting, but like still in the previous stuff. So whatever. I didn't read the notification. Deprecated extension. Oh yeah, it's true. This extension has been expired. Uninstall. Restart. How was your week? Mr. Magoo, it's been a while, I think, that I see you. Shirley Dev, I saw you yesterday on Code Rush stream, where you were on fire testing all the party modes. I love that stream. It's always so cool. So much happening on the stream. And Mark is a genius. This guy is smart. Are you still saying that? Okay, so can you just then reload? And flying drones? Hey, Game Lore is here. Hello, Game Lore. How are you? Thank you for joining me, old friend. All of you. I appreciate that. Why did that? Do I have an upgrade on VS Code? Update code. So I need to do that. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll upgrade everything. So that was this. So what I did. Oh yeah, like yeah, the gain turn. I want to change. There's like, not that I'm an expert, but I'm definitely getting switching keyboard. I'm definitely getting better with all the getting better at the structure of the game and stuff like that. And like even now in 2d6 Dungeon, there's things that I will have to change. There they are. The digital friends. Cool. Let's VS Code. See. Position on it. Tech Cryptographer landed. Excellent. So you know what? If it compiles, let's run just to see where I was, because yeah, I've been doing a lot of things, but oh yeah, there was one thing in the app host. Oh yeah, no, I don't want to be in the Solution Explorer, but I know SRC. No, SRC. I want this also to be. This is not great. It needs to be like on two lines. App host. Okay, I did it here. I was working on a project, and probably when I did my .NET New had some globals, and my new project, like the API was version 9, but like the app host was version 8, so I didn't have that, and I was trying to, I think I will create a blog post about that, and I was trying to use Azurite, the emulator for storage, Azure Storage locally, and it was not working, and I spent 30 minutes an hour to fix everything. I had also an issue with the Azure Storage Explorer that I found, so I think I will share that. Like I found the solution, but like on GitHub in an issue, like blah 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 blah, kind of. So I think I will have like a story and just kind of like do that. Okay, so oh yeah, I need to check if it compiles first. Does my sound is okay? Am I loud enough? Like I said, I had tech sound issue. It's classic, Frank classic, but can you hear me right? Or am I too low? Can you hear the music? .NET build. Oh yeah, succeed. Sound is fine. Thank you, Game Lord. Game Lore. So I had a D. Okay, so you know what? Let's F5 that. See where we are. See where we are. Obviously, you created here. Let's put it there. I'm not sure why it still does that. I think it's the version of my .NET, like the library.
Yay!
Who landed? Jeff's hat.
Yay!
Oh, Jeff hat's stand. Okay, so even the stand now is playing an undefined process and code by mistakes. Yeah, so many. What is that? Okay. So we have our. Oh yeah, I can. Frank, go in the corner. Voila, that's better. So we can see all our resources here, and oh, did I close? What? No, it's there. There it is. I want it. Okay, cool. So we have our database. We have databases here. It's running in a container. And oh yeah, it's true. Did I install that here? I don't know. I want to show you something. Maybe I didn't install it here. I found Lazy Docker. Do you know that? Let's finish that. Remember me after. I want to talk about two things. I want to talk about Dungeon Crawler, another game, and Lazy Docker. Okay, so here we have the web app, we have the database, we have the DAB, so Data API Builder. It's an API that is automatically built on top of our database with CRUD in mind. So like it's built an API. So I use that. So we spend more time in the Blazor instead of like building the API. Since this app, I'm not sure I want to maintain there will be a lot of tables. I think just like having something that is automatically generated is a better way in this specific case, and that tool is great. I still need, there's new feature in there that I need to work on, like not work on, but like try, investigate. Maybe the experience could even be better. Okay, so project, let's open it. So this is the app. We do need to pretty sure, yeah, the database is empty, so let's create a new user. Let's go with Tad Beaumont. Tad Beaumont is a character in Stephen King books that I use often. Let's go for a great axe, a weapon. Then we have manœuvre. I know I'm supposed to say like manœuvre or something like that in English, but it's a French word, so I'm saying it in French. So we'll take those two, and then the armor pieces, we'll take the padded tunic, and for the magic scroll, we go with the mental whip. So that will be our adventurer. Also, what I did is during the holiday, I can go in the other corner, zoop, I implemented the grid a little bit better. So now there's like a mouse over effect, and to select, you just click. Also, I think if I do this, yeah, it go like show all the details. So I did a few things. So here we see our maneuver and stuff like that. So now the map is empty. So roll to determine your entrance of the dungeon. So we roll a 2 and a 3, so that's why it's 2 by 3, because it's the lobby. There's 3 doors. The location of the doors are set randomly. So now we can start the game. Cool. So adventurer, we just saw that. Combat screen, let's say we go for an artisan, and I have an error apparently. I will have to fix that. I don't know what it is. Let's. Oh yeah, there's now stuff if it's not expanded or something like that. If I go back in VS Code and I change for the web app, what's the it's not all, like, I forgot why. Sometimes it does that, not always. See, that's why I wanna, so today I will use the project page. Where is it? Here. I will use the project page to add a bunch of to-dos. Maybe I need a new column. But to-do feels good. Or maybe notes. I don't know. Like I need to play. I think I will start with to-dos, and like if I figure that there's too much missing, then we'll create a new one. Okay, so let's go to home. And let's now load an adventure since we should have it. It's not working. Refresh. Okay, so now we could load this adventure. So now we are in the lobby. And one thing I think is here, see, there's like different doors. And if I pick a door, let's say I pick north, I think it's always west. And I'm not sure why. So, but for now, we don't care because I just want to show you. So you pick a door and you open it, and now it fails. Wonderful. Told you I'm like I'm in the middle of it. What's the error? Maybe I should have put breakpoints and stuff like that. I have no idea where I am, what I was doing. I guess I will put yeah, so there we are. Okay, so we'll put breakpoints and we'll try again, and we'll see where it goes. Notes. Next room, set dimension. Interesting. Okay. I had a note. I don't know where that comes from, but okay, well, I had that apparently. So here, I think when we click the pick a door, so we go and pick that. Cool. Okay, so see, let's make a breakpoint here. If the door is not the one we picked, let's create that to do. Oh, to do. Oh, can you add to do? No, it's only me. And it's to do dash add, I think. Do you want to try it, Blazer Mr. Magoo? I think it's to do. Yeah, it's to do dash add to add. But I think it's only me who can do that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, so yeah, okay, so that's what we'll be working. Lazy Docker. And what was it again? I've heard of Lazy Docker and also Lazy Git. Lazy Git. I'm not sure I heard about Lazy Git, but Lazy Docker is an interface in your terminal. I thought it was cool because sometimes you go SSH to like a server, and you could have like the Docker container that runs, and I feel it's a little bit less remember all the commands than like, you know, it just does the command behind the scene. But I thought it was interesting. So yeah, let me put that, share it in the chat note. And I never know if it's, let's do that, CMD. Is it notes or note? No, it's note. Cool. Yeah, see the to do are just for me. I could change that, I think. Or maybe just put like the moderator. Yeah, it's a pretty cool community project. How do we install? Installation, homebrew, chocolate tea. Oh, I could run it in Docker? Interesting. What? Well, let's try see if I could just do like a install. Clear. Sudo apt install. Oh, no. Hey! TBD! Terry, I never knew. Stupid me. I never knew your name was Terry. Makes sense. Hello, welcome aboard. Welcome behind my cloud.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Oh, that was awesome. It's your voice and like asking how you're going. That's cool. Maybe I should do every time you're doing it, Shirley Dev, that it's your voice. XFDF. I don't know what's that thing is. For VMs? I don't know. Binary? What? No. Really? You can manually download the binary to automate install update. Don't forget to always verify that you're pinging into bash. Script, download the binary to Is it? Maybe I just need to close and reopen the terminal. Let's try that. Nope. That's small. One. What is it again? So nano. And then it's something like yeah, why not? No, I don't think it's that. Oh, here it is. ZSH RC, right? Cool. And now I need to go here and pat. I'm so not good at adding pat to the pat. So I want to add this. do that? So I need to do something like. Oh no, I wanna keep this because it tells me what to do. I need to do. Oh wow, I feel like dumb. I wanna do this, and then I wanna this, and then that's the path one I had, right? Now I should add this part. Like $, curly brackets. How does that work again? No. If I do, it's $pat. No. It's not $pat, it's just pat. No, it's dollar, right? There it is. Not sure where it's all ugly like that. So now I have in my containers. So I have my SQL database, I have Portainer running, I have an old database that is now exited. I have Epic Samir, I have no idea what it is. So I have 3 containers right now. So I have the dab and this. Oh yeah, and the project itself, it's running because it's a C#. Oh, that's cool. So I have different images. How can I go down? Anyway, so that's, I'm doing a very bad sales pitch, right? But yeah, that's what it is. And exit. I love it. Yeah, I need to learn how to, but I saw that. I thought it was cool. I thought it was cool. And the other thing I want to share, I did share, so it's this thing. If you go, this. So it's a series of books. Come on, load. And this is the first book of the series. Let's do this. Note. Boom. Do this. And like there's like it's very well, the score is very high. There's a lot of rating, there's a lot of review, and I was like, I'm not sure. And then I read that during the holiday, and, oh, it's fun. So I finished it super fast, bought the 2 right away, finished the 2, now I'm in the 3. I just started the 3, number 3. So it's like a dungeon, like it's like a RPG game. In fact, the type of book that is this, they call that RPG lit. I'm guessing for literature, and it's like an RPG game. So at the beginning of the book, like the world is wiped, and like this guy, Carl, is with this cat, needs to go in a dungeon, and the dungeon is the planet. and you need to survive, and like you have like X number of days to go to the next level, and like you go down the level, and it's funny, and it's just fun. It doesn't take itself too seriously. There's a bunch of stupid stuff in it. Anyway, I had a good fun, and I'm recommended that to anyone who like Dungeons and Dragon or RPG games, or is looking for something light to read. It's really good. And the audiobook is also great. There's a little bit of audio effect. Sometimes I do that. I buy the book and I also buy the audio, and it's sync. And at some point I had a lot of driving to do, and I was like, you know what, I didn't feel to listen to music, so let's continue this. I was like shocked, where I was like, well, it's fun. The voices and like there's effect and stuff like that. So reading or listening, it's a good one. So if you do, please ping me somewhere. Tell me if you liked it. Dungeon Crawler Chronicles. There's a few of them. The review are excellent. I want to see how many books. Oh, was it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look like there's 7 books. Anyway, it was good. Okay. Enough of that. All that showing again. That's on someone else's stream. Okay, so here we have the doors. How to Change Topic by Frank. Lesson 1. Just in French we say du coq à l'âne. I'm not sure what's the expression in English. Changing topic. Oh, maybe I will end. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, and now, so after that, it's open the door dialogue. Oh yeah, okay. It opened this. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint here when we're done with the dialogue, and after that we'll go in the room dialogue. Oh, I think I was starting to mess around with game turn. I think that's maybe why I have a problem. Like that error, I mean. Let's try again. Let's go here. I don't think it's useful to have that. Let's refresh. Cool. So now let's pick a door. So we pick north. Oh, who landed too? The real shorty bot. So we picked north. So here as a door selection, door select. Oh, I can just do next. Door selection. Count 4. Oh, selected exit. North. Okay, it's good. Maybe I watched the. Okay, so it is. So we picked north. Excellent. So now let's go next. So now we open the room dialogue. Let's roll with it. So now we are in the room dialogue in the uninitialize, and the game turn. That's where I have my logic of like everything you need to do in a turn. And I wasn't sure how to implement that, so I put that the game turn. Not sure if it's the proper way to do it, but okay, so let's see. Let's go in, see what's happening here. So I initialize a bunch of stuff. Okay. Okay, so now the game turn message is roll the 2d6 to determine the dimension of the room. Okay. Well, that should work. Well, I didn't create any error, but interesting. What? Okay, so we don't need that breakpoint. Let's in game turn. I think I want to switch here. Or maybe I need to. Maybe that's continue turn. I don't know. I don't think I want that. So in the code, uninitialize. Well, that was good though. On step change, yeah, definitely want a breakpoint here. Unfinish. I don't think we didn't met there. So it's probably in game turn the error, right? I wish this window was in color. Error, unhandled exception, circuit, blah 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 blah, argument, fluent menu provider. Needs to be added to the main layout. Hey, have a good weekend, Game Lord. Thanks for coming. Okay. Oh, so I guess that's the error. Okay, so let's clear that. So we start from fresh. And let's go back to home. Let's do a refresh. Proper refresh. Okay, cool. So now let's load the adventure. Go there. Right. Okay, so that's all good. Let's clear that. Let's go pick a door. North again. Open. Oh yeah, we don't need that. Just roll. Just roll. And it failed. Okay, let's try to understand. Oh yeah, something in my eye. Unhandle, exception, rendering mode. Object reference not set to an instant of an object. Where? Fluent UI, wizard. Unhandle exception. Okay, so let's... Okay, so you know what? I will stop that for now. Let's drop here. So room is okay, but look like this is not set properly. I think what did I change? If I go in my historic, oh, you know what? Let's go in Get Cracking.
Yay!
Yay! Who landed? Grovosaurus and the real Shirley Butt again. That guy is landing every time. That digital friends is very lucky.
Yay!
and the unoriginal jerk. So many are landing. Okay, in game turn, what did we change? Major. It's mostly put some async in there and roll room definition. Like we don't start by okay, so in play RPG frequency, still following this project, never could get it to run in Docker. Well, when I merge this version will run by itself as long as you have .NET 9 installed on your machine. I may try to have container that simplify stuff, or I may have it to run in online so you can try it RPG frequencies, but that version right now, it's like that's why I'm rewriting it, so it's simpler with people who are like not tech but would like to mingle, like play a little bit with it. I tried to make it so it's much easier. It will still have some requirement because it's not finished, but I think just installing .NET 9, just then like you open the solution, do F5, and it will work by itself. Right now, it's not back. If we go back to the project, it's still not in the main, just because it's broken. Like, you need to sometimes break it to make it better. So right now I'm working in this branch, the 55, positioning the new room. I think when I will have that, I will be able to position a new room. I will merge it to main, and probably from there do a branch dev, and I will try to push more release in dev. So like if people want to try it a little bit earlier, then dev will be a little bit more kind of like up to date, and main will be like when it makes sense. But yeah, exactly. Well, like that's I get it. No worry about that. Like it's always important for my project to like people collaborate, helps, whatever. So yeah. So right now I'm doing that. So when you pick a room, I want to position it. And but so right now we are in the wizard of rolling the dice for the dimension, picking the definition, and like the doors and stuff like that. And when that's done, I want to merge it. I think the next step will be filling the database. I'm not sure if it was you or someone else, but someone reached out to me with like a definition of like everything that is in book 1, or like for the first level. I won't go deeper for like until this project is finished. So people will be able to play the first level of the dungeon. That's it for the kind of like the demo, the open source phase. After that, we'll see with Toby what you want to do. But yeah, so I want to finish this. Hopefully we finish this today, and then I start working on the database. So if I finish this today, it means I will merge everything to main. So maybe during the weekend you can try that first version just to play with it, but then like there's 3 types of monster, 4 rooms definition, but you have an idea where it's going. So that's the goal. But I'm happy to see you here. Thanks for joining, and thanks for the feedback. It was very constructive and helpful to see people interested in stuff like that. GT Sam is here. Hello, GT. How are you? Yes, so I was here trying, no, not here, so let's close that. I was here trying to understand what did I change. So we are in play. So it was with the wizard, so I guess it is in the new room in the dialogue. Good morning. Are you West Coast base? PST? GT? I thought you were in Europe. Maybe I'm wrong. But I'm for sure wrong. I cannot remember all the visitors. Ours, the cloudies. Okay, I feel like I changed something and now maybe the wizard doesn't know where he is, where to start. I think that's the problem. So I think I should initialize something. That's probably the problem. So here, fluent step, I changed the step. I had submarine, I had the button. Okay, blah, blah, blah. This, I had it. What's that? For the exit. It did work at least once at some point. So what did I change? I feel it's the game turn. Maybe the dice result. Is dice locked? We still have the error. One little exception, rendering component. So it's in the rendering? Not set of an instance. Oh, I have here. Let's have a look to the issue, maybe. Current room. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. It's just okay. Well, it's I was about to say, nah, it's just possible. Boy Scout? Oh no. Boy Scout? Did I miss something? Okay, so maybe that's what it is. So where, like this? Where are you? Where is my cursor? Here? Game turn? Oh, is it that? Oh yeah, it could be that, right? Okay, so you know what, let's do this. Dot. And then no, like yeah, I put a message and it's on initialize. So I should have something. Can put this to just remove the error. Game turn to D6. Yeah, message. Okay, let's back here. Let's do the tour. So it's always game turn. Or one thing I could do instead, oh yeah, let's do that instead. Instead of doing this, let's do, so I think I will need to go and do this, like that. And now it will be this, ding ding, and then string empty. Man, what's happening? String dot empty. Will that work? Game turn, but game turn cannot be null. Maybe I want to pass it in the I feel, yeah, see, I think I want to pass that in parameter. So one thing we could do is just do like this. Oh yeah, but the problem now is I need to do the to do this. I could just do that. Just when you create it like this, but you don't have that. Oh, that's the thing. That was the thing I start changing, right? If we look back. Yeah. See, I changed that. It's because the class is static. Oh, I'm struggling with that. Okay. So, will that solve the problem then? Let's give it a try. So, I think if it, will it crash or it will just jump here? I think, right? Yeah, I think it takes the first. Okay. So maybe in game turn, I need to create a game turn without the service and just assign it after. So I could have my class that already exists and all the other stuff populated. Yeah, I think that's what I will do, right? I will 2d6, make it, instead of being private, I think I will have to like reshape that thing because I'm trying to do dependency injection just like to pass the service. But I think right now the problem is it's in like this dialogue is initiated, and this doesn't exist. Though it is, what was it? Uninitialize. What's the event? Uninitialize is the first one, right? Am I right? Is there something before uninitialize? I think it's the first one. Because there's after rendering and stuff like that. Because if I could just do let's so if I do public, let's do that. Let's do public. Sorry. And now for my constructor, let's do this, do that. Right? I don't know why I did the specific constructor, but whatever. So now I will be able to hear when I create the thing, I will be able to say, hey, you cannot be null equal new turn. And in here, I say this dot 2d6 equal 2d6. Feel bad though. Feel wrong. Not bad, but yeah, bad. I guess it feels rad. Right? So now, when I arrive, there will be a game turn. See, like now I only have 4 stuff. What? Non-nullable? Oh yeah, I guess you can be nullable. Okay. No, game turn cannot be null. Or current room could be null. Okay. Cool. Unfinished, yeah, we'll solve that because... Why is it? Because call is not allowed await. What? Oh, because this is await? Continue turn is await? Yeah, it's a task. So I need to do await. But now this need to be a task. Async. I cannot type async. Task. Cool. Okay, so now we only have this one, and like it's temporary because I'll fix that soon. So with that said, let's try to see how bad is it. I would like to finish that thing. I think if I do that, the wizard work, but I still don't have positioned the room. Build failure. Like, that's the stupidest pop-up ever. We didn't build. Would you like to go with the previous build? No. Close it. Let's do a clear and build. What's the error? Yeah, no problem. Nice to have see you on the call, on the stream. That cannot be the error. Oh, that's the error. Yeah. That was just a warning. So the error is here in play. Oh yeah, because now I do this. Okay, you know what? I will keep that line in mind. Let's do this. And then I will add the two new lines. I need to pass it. I need to pass it to the dialogue. But right now, let's just try it to make it work. If I was on Code Rush, it will be ignorance and brute force and ignorance. Okay, it compiles. Let's go. Let's try it.
Bad feeling about this.
I know. It's temporary. The best way to make something permanent. I should close the other. Come on. Okay, let's go here. Let's go load. TAD. Pick a door. North. Open. Let's just try it. Yeah. Didn't fix the problem. Not sure what it is. Is it this? I don't think we need that. Oh, maybe. I can. I don't know. Okay, let's. When I start in the new room dialog, okay, that's the Fluent Wizard stepper position. What? The stepper position? Oh, okay. This. Okay, left. Visited. Fine. Display step number. Current. It's equal to next is 4. Wait, what? Why it's not 1? Why I'm at 2? Oh, maybe that's the problem. Yeah, I shouldn't be at 2, I should be at 1. Maybe that's the problem. See, I should be in the first step, should be here to determine the dimension and stuff. But if it's at 2, I think this is 0. If it's at 2, it means like it's like trying to go for the description, the room is not set. Ah, okay. Do I need to? How do I uninitialize? I'm guessing I need to unstep changes. Maybe we need to specify the... If we look here... Bind via loop is stop. What? Fluent stack. Okay, no. So switch this and now Fluent Wizard is stop. Okay, now the sequence, step sequence. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Border. Okay. Okay, let's go in the code. Oh, linear. Did I have that too? No, that's a step. I want to see the... Yeah, step sequence. Okay, for me it was visited. Because... Maybe I want linear then? Index. Fluent Wizard. No, I want... Okay, the wizard is step-by-step interface, piece, something. There are... From left, but you can move at the top component. They are in the form of some bubble. They are not numbered, but the displayed step number property can be used as numbering and also possible to customize. Okay. The order of the step must be defined when designing the wizard. The order of the step must be defined when designing the wizard. That's something maybe I did wrong. However, it is possible to enable or disable that via disable property. Did I use disable? No. Maybe because I say visited. What if I put linear? By default, the content of all steps are hidden and display when the user active that step for display performance reason, okay? But the deferred loading property reverse this process, generate the content active, okay? The label and the summary property display the name as a small summary of the step below. Maybe that's why. Use the step title hidden when property is used to hide the title, or if okay by default. Okay. Mine is this. Linear is good. Maybe that's the thing. So if in my steps label summary, okay. My thought was if I had a variable, because the label in the summary will be displayed on each thing. And here is just summary. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. What can I do? And remove more steps. Yeah, if I... Okay, you know what? Let's keep just one step. If I do this, right? Control this. So now they are only one step. Why not? We can try that. Let's go here and let's take this. That's the beauty of the new. So I can stop that project, coming here, and like we could go in the terminal and do a build. I wasn't forced to build everything, but just in case. Okay, so everything was built. So now I could just restart this. I'm not sure if it works. It should be working. And now if I pick a door, let's go east, open. Let's just roll with it. Oh, cool. Okay, so the problem is not in step one. progress here. So cool, so we have our wizard. See, dimension, determine the size. So you could roll the dice. Now the button is locked. We have a 2x2 and we could go say, okay, now it's done. Let's go to the next one, next one, and the next one. But right now we don't have a next one. So now we know this step is fixed. So let's go here. Let's stop this. And we'll add one more. Right, so instead of being this step, we'll do here. Cool. So now we go back again into the terminal and do build again. Should have specified a folder. Anyway, it takes 2 seconds. Cool. So now we could go back here, start the project again. Did it restart? Yes, it did. Cool. So let's just refresh to make sure. Pick a door. Let's go west. Oh, could it be the door north that was causing the problem? I don't need that breakpoint anymore. We have the exit, so I roll the dice. We go next. Okay, so something was wrong with my next steps. Okay, cool. So now roll the d6, 1d6 to determine how many numbers of exit in the room. You roll the dice. And let's continue. We have 2 rooms. And now it's done because there's no more. But let's add more. Okay. Let's do this. Let's stop. Maybe it was the summary. Come on, stop. Stop starting? What? What was that? Maybe we did it too many times. Oh, you know what? Let's stop the proper way. Okay. So let's add one more step. Did you land today, Mr. Magoo? I don't think so, right? Well, I pick one extra character. Yeah. I wanted this to go here.
Yay!
A digital friends is landing. Whoop whoop.
Yay!
Another digital friend. 3 little. That's amazing. Okay, so I guess like it's summary that is F-bomb. Screwing all of this stuff. I forgot. Like, yeah, is and that didn't look like this one's doing anything. Oh, is it a voice activator? Wow, that's a good score. I didn't realize 98, 93. That looks pretty straight in the middle. Freedom. Cool. Load the adventure, Tad, pick a door, door west, open, roll a dice, 3 by 5. Excellent. Next. Roll a dice. No more exit. So it's a dead end. What's the room definition? Roll a dice. Go to the summary to see the detail of the room. And you go done. So, okay. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I didn't put it. There's nothing. Oh yeah, because I didn't put the summary. Okay. Let's stop that. Oh, that's why you keep doing that here. I don't know. It's always going in my. I have another browser, so I could have like type in the chat and stuff, and it always open things over there. Okay, so look like our problem is here in the last one. So what's different here? I don't know. There's no summary? I mean, I can add one. Let's add one. Right? It's the if. Needs to be like that. Oh, was it just that? I guess it was just this. I think it was just that. Oh, that should. And I guess I could put it in a div also. Right? Like all the others. Oops. How about a new keyboard? But I'm still waiting for it. What? No, I want you to close the div. What are you talking about? No, I want you to close this. Oh. Looking forward to it. It's a split keyboard. Cool. I'm guessing here we need to close the dialogue. That's what also missing. If I little brain fart here. How did we close the let's go and play maybe that door dialogue? How do we close it? Where did I put that in the dialogue? Toggle dialogue primary action button. Toggle primary button. That's the closing one. Oh. So how do you close the... Okay, there's nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, no, okay, so we didn't... feel like... So when we are here... I get the result. Oh, but I don't go click it? Oh, so it's when I arrive in the summary? Oh, I guess that's what it is. Yeah, okay, so... Yeah, okay. So, for example, this, where it's called, it will be here. Unclick that Fluent button. It does that. So when... Roll for description. Yeah, okay, so it should be somewhere, right? Okay, yeah. Description. Action type, definition. Wait. Yeah. So game turn has it, but I need to content. Content is a room. Okay, so I think here that's when you set it. So you say content, whoops. I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to be, and it will be working because that's a map room and it's not mapped yet. That's the thing. Who's mapping? Maybe we need another step. That's why it's empty. That's why was it when we come back from it? That's the door. Yeah, so here, door selected. The problem is I'm passing a map door, but it's not map yet. It's just a room. So we need to position it. Do I want to do that? I don't think I want to do that in the new room wizard. Or should I? I don't think so. So I want to map. I want to... So I could go here and say description equal this, right? And then, come on, Copilot, be smart. Content, come on. Yep. 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 Okay. So we'll have to do some kind of like, I'm guessing Or, yeah, I think what we do here, yeah, I think that's better. So I think what we'll do here in play, instead of passing, no, select a door. Oh, that was good. Yeah, it's in here. So instead of new room, it's a room. I'm passing a room. Wait, so why it was a map room? No, I want this. I want this. Oh, was it a mistake from my part? No, it's a room. Oh, it's game turn that has. Yeah, okay, in game turn, there's a map room. Because a room. So maybe I need to do a map room, pass a map room instead of a room. Okay, so let's run it. I think it should run to the end, but we won't be able to give back the room we just built. And may need to stop because I need a bio break and I'm hungry. I need to sit down too. I don't have much room. You don't know, but green wall is very close. Okay. Oh, maybe I can do more. Now that I'm sitting. Okay, I can do a little bit more. Pick a door. North. Open. We have everything. So cool. Next, roll the dice. Found a new corridor. Okay, cool. How many exits? No, that was the room definition. 56. If I go next, the room is 1 by 2, excluding the door you use. There's one more door. The room is bare and seems to have been cleared out or forgotten about. Wonderful. This is that side? Yeah. A little bit of shadow here. I can move there to hide the blur effect. I can fix my light too, but okay. So we have that. That's good. That's good. Frank, I'm in the way again. So now if we do done,
Yay!
and then 80, yeah. Oh, so that's I can't sell. That's why also. So cool. So now we have our wizard that works, and of course, if I can sell, so I don't know why this button is already there.
Yay!
So bunch of 2 digital friends landed, 3 digital friends landed. Okay, so that's for navigating. So I could go, but the beauty of it is, see, I block all of that. So done should, maybe I don't need done, or save could be. You should be able to do save. And now if we can sell, obviously. Now that you know, we spent 2 hours going through, but like the error we found it, that was the at that was missing. But yeah, I'm not sure if this needs to be there though. But the problem is now when we finish, yeah, but why? I'm not sure why the button is disabled, the save button. Right? Why can I not go there? What I'm missing? Linear? Was there something different for the last one? In the default, right? So the steps, this, no, on change, on step change. So why done, the button done doesn't do anything? Next, next, done. The wizard is complete. Oh. Console right. So if I do this, if I click here, okay, yeah, okay, I go there. Okay, so here I should just like save it. So it should be a function. Yeah, okay, so it should be a function just like save. So I'm not sure why this is also disabled. I'm guessing because when I declare it here, yeah, action false. I need at some point to enable that. Could I do so here? When you arrive in the role for description, this should go through, but I'm guessing it will be dialogue dot, do I have primary? Right, that's the dialogue, right, that we pass in parameter. Yeah, dialogue. So dialogue dot maybe just action enable, or the how did we do it in the other dialogue? Select door. Toggle primary. No, that's, was it? Toggle primary action button true. Really? TypeScript tea time. Is it a real one? It's a real user or a digital friends? Are you a real person? TypeScript Tea Time. I love the name. It's funny. I'm real. Okay. It's just that Shirley does have so many digital friends that sometimes, like, you know, it's confusing. Like, see? Million times. Wow. Well, welcome here. Welcome behind my cloud. So what I want to do is this. Yeah, cool. So now we'll have the done button available. The save button will be done. And I think it's a small community between, like, now I cannot see my some part of my screen. It's a small community, Twitch. Always forget. But yeah, and I'm always surprised when people recognize me. And so that's cool. Well, happy to see you here. Is it the first time you come on my stream? On this stream? On my stream? Oh, it's not saving. Okay, now it's saving. So we have that. We have that. So now we have a room, but you used to do interviews, if I remember correctly. Interviews. Oh, yeah, maybe I was doing, I was having guesses, and they were like, we were kind of like streaming together. So I was offering like the stream platform and everything, and they were joining me in a Skype call, and then they were like showing me demos and stuff like that. Yeah, that was a long time ago. Yeah, that was fun though. I like not being alone. I've been doing a few of those still, but on different channels. Well, not Twitch, like more YouTube channels. And like now, like that's why I branded, like if we could say branded like behind my cloud. So like that's the behind the scene kind of like where I work on stuff. Yeah. So we work on different projects, and then like I will write blogs after, or like make more polished version where I explain. So like for example, today was like we spent a lot of time like building, because like one little at was missing, but then like, after that I will create a nice polished video that explain like how this app was working, or like maybe we polish the deployment to make it like one-click deploy, and after that I will do like a very straightforward like, hey, how to make a one-click deploy, something like that. So this is the behind the scenes. This is where we struggle with stuff, and also often I like to do things I have no idea how to do, because I like to learn. I'm East Coast. I'm a Canadian though. I'm not European, but I'm assuming you mean like European work time. Yeah, I tend to stream in the morning. No, I may try to stream late also. I have like one morning, one late on like different days, just to catch different people. And I'm wondering if I should do, maybe I will do something at some point in French. I speak French natively. That's my first language, so that could be cool too. Okay, let's stop and restart it. I just want to see if it's working better, if the buttons are now acting the way we decided to. And if that's the thing, I think I will push it, create the to-dos, that where we need to be, and I will call it stream, call it a day, just because yeah, I'm hungry and I need to work on the other project that I shared at the beginning of the stream. Okay, so let's go here. So we should have our database full because container is keep running. Pick a door. So let's go east, open. So now we have that. 2d6 determine the dimension. So like a 3 by 6, wonderful. So we go next. 1d6 to determine the number of exit. We have a 6, so 2 exits. Yeah, Twitch is full of American main time streamer, but I'm awake, yeah. Yeah, Boucher is definitely my first name is Francois, but like I go with Frank because it's easier. Okay, so cool. So okay, so we go next, and now roll 2d6 to know what's in the room. So we roll this and say 4 and 3. So now we could go next. The button here has been enabled. Oh, maybe I don't want that here. Maybe it should be. Yeah, maybe I want to go and like, yeah, maybe. Because that's sad. Like you don't know you could go save and like you didn't see your definition. I think I will do that. So it's a room, the 3 by 6, 2 more doors, small. Burner provided warm for a chair around the table. So now if I'm done, the wizard is completed. Cool. And now save is enabled. So if I save it, now if I go this, yeah, it's all empty because I didn't set it anything. Okay, cool. So the one thing I want to change is when it's finished, I want to toggle that. Yeah. So when it's finished, you need to finish it. Oh no. Yeah, so it's when yeah, I think it's here. I want to do this. Yeah, I'm not sure what well, I'm guessing here. I don't think there's anything to do with that. So when we close, when we save, we'll have to do something. Okay. So let's come back to here. I said I want to use more the planner here. Let's go a little bit smaller. So parameter capitalization started, deployer, Well, yeah. Okay, so a new item. And it's oh, it's called again the class. It's new room dialogue. That's oh, that was my lazy way to have a copy paste. So in that new room dialog, we need to return that room that we just created, right? So let's open it. Can I open it? Can you open it bigger? It's not very, can I move it up? Oh, I can move it up, cool. Convert, move down, archive. Ah, there it is. Okay, so now I have more details. So the type pass is in the dialog is a room. It should probably be a map room. I'm not sure how what's exactly, but the mapping should happen in play, I think. Happens in the play page. Yeah. Happens 1p. How do you what's wrong? I don't know how to write in English, obviously. No D. Okay. Cool. Can I put some status to do assign to me, definitely. I think I want to create a new, so it will be a to-do, and it will be like in pro. Maybe it's in progress. Maybe it's in progress. Yeah, let's go and. It's a to-do. I need to do that. That's a to-do. Can I put some priority or something like that? I think that's it. It's a to-do. Maybe we want like a do next. So what? So maybe blue. So it's not new column. Let's pick blue, and it will be do next. Sorry, I'm having trouble with my cap lock here. Do next. Yeah. Cool. And I want to bring that. Come on. I want to bring you here, and now we move you here. Yeah. That's feel great. Okay, cool. Yeah. Do we raid Jeffrey Fritz? Oh, I need, before we go there, I need to check the scores. Who landed the best score today? I think it was one of the digital friends of Shirley. Surly. Oh, Surly, you're still there. So Surly is the highest human. Wrong chat. Oh, so you're listening multiple stream. That's not too cacophonic. I'm just waiting to save everything in case I land. But yeah, no. So I'll do a save. And we'll just stop. Now we could go raid Mr. Fritz. No, that's not what I want to do. I wanted to raid with like a... How many? We were not a lot though. How many are we? 4 viewers. Do we raid
Yay!
Mr. Fritz? How do we end it there? Oh, let's raid like a tiny little group. It'll be fun. So have a good weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.